All right, let's talk about YouTube Shorts. You know, those quick, punchy, scroll-stopping videos that keep people endlessly entertained. If you're thinking, then buckle up because we're diving into a load of niche, high-profit ideas to help you turn those micro moments into big money. Imagine a gold mine. YouTube is paying Shorts creators through ad revenue sharing. There's a boatload of brand deals, and these days, viral Shorts can quickly skyrocket your subscriber base. Plus, there's less competition for monetizing Shorts, so you're jumping on a train that's still half empty. People love fun facts, especially when they're niche and hit those, "Whoa, I had no idea" vibes. Pick a theme that resonates with a specific crowd, like weird animal facts, surprising food trivia, unbelievable history snippets, and monetize it with affiliate marketing. Throw in affiliate links to related books, courses, or even products on Amazon. Another good thing, sponsored Shorts. Collaborate with niche brands looking to tap into a unique audience. AI automation tools like ChatGPT for script ideas. Pop a simple question like, what are the craziest animal facts, and let it brainstorm for you. Like Pictory or Lumen 5 for video creation. These AI tools can generate visuals to match the facts you share, making it fast and eye-catching. Opus Clip, another nice tool to create shorts from script for any social media platforms. Life hacks are super popular, and if you can make them ultra-specific, they go viral. Imagine kitchen hacks for singles or budget-friendly hacks for students. Keep it real and relatable. The more quirky, the better. Monetize it. 1. Affiliate products. Feature affordable products that make life easier and link them in the description. 1. Brand collaborations. Partner with brands that sell kitchen or household gadgets. They'll pay to see their products in your video. AI automation tools. InVideo for video compilation. Drag and drop videos and images to create polished shorts in minutes. Video.ai for trimming content. Got a longer video with tons of hacks? Video.ai can chop it down into bite-sized hacks automatically. How about tapping into the financial crowd with quick money-making tips? People love a good side hustle tip, especially if it's digestible in under a minute. Think about app-based gigs like testing websites, tutoring, or even renting out space. And don't forget freelancing hacks, quick resume tips, profile tweaks for freelance platforms. Monetize it by mentioning apps that pay you to do random gigs and drop referral links. Partner with fintech apps. Finance apps will likely sponsor content if it's high quality. For AI automation tools, consider using Synthesia for voiceovers. If you want a virtual voice delivering your tips, Synthesia's avatars can make it happen without needing your face. And Jasper for script writing. Jasper can give you copy with just the right financial punch. People want to learn everything these days, from basic photo editing to cooking 5-minute meals. Think about niches within niches here, like pet grooming for beginners or essential first aid tips. Quick, focused tutorials work wonders for those looking to learn without the fuss. Monetize it by promoting a related course that goes deeper than your 60-second clip. Product placements work too. If it's cooking, show a specific tool and link it. If it's pet grooming, mention a brand of pet clippers. For AI automation tools, Capwing is super simple for adding instructional text over your video. And Pictory can turn blog content or written tutorials into engaging shorts with ease. Ever wondered what it's like to be a crane operator or a chocolate taster? Quick BTS videos of jobs give people a taste of unique roles they may never have considered. Monetize it by creating sponsored content with training programs. Reach out to institutions offering certifications and training for these careers, and use affiliate links to career platforms. Partner with sites that list job openings or job-seeking resources. For AI automation tools, Descript can help with voice editing. Add audio commentary that's easy and engaging. Canva is great for branding and text. Keep it branded and consistent so viewers know it's your BTS content instantly. Everyone loves a good story. It could be embarrassing moments or spooky encounters, just make it captivating. The key is keeping it concise and relatable, so viewers are hooked right to the end. Now let's talk about how to monetize it. First, affiliate books and merch. If you're telling spooky stories, link to a horror book. If it's funny, link to comedy merch. Second, podcast or story app sponsorships. Story apps love content like this. It's all about getting people addicted to storytelling. And don't forget about AI automation tools. Adobe Podcast for voice enhancements. Make your voice super crisp so your stories sound clear and professional. And Flicky for background audio. Flicky's AI can automatically add sound effects, giving that extra dramatic flair. 7. Quick day in the life shorts. Daily life snippets show your viewers a unique glimpse of someone's life. Highlight unusual professions, unique cultures, or even the daily life of a digital nomad. Monetize it. 1. Brand partnerships for niche products. If you're showcasing a day in the life of a traveler, partner with brands selling travel gear. 2. Affiliate products. Offer links to items that you mention in your day-to-day. AI automation tools. Runway ML for video editing. Get cinematic transitions with minimal editing skills. Peach for automatic captioning. Instant captions make it accessible and easy to follow for everyone. 8. Countdowns and top 5S. Who doesn't love lists? Top 5 underrated movies, top 5 travel destinations on a budget, or even top 5 must-have apps for productivity lists are scannable, bingeable, and keep people hooked. Monetize it. 1. Affiliate links for products. Any list that includes products or apps is a goldmine for affiliate sales. 2. Sponsored lists. Brands love to be part of top 5 lists. Try reaching out to niche brands directly. AI automation tools. Magisto for auto editing. Magisto will do the editing heavy lifting, so your countdown looks professional without hours of editing. Wave.video for templates. Tons of eye-catching templates for list-style videos that help you stand out. 9. Did I do that right? Social experiment shorts. Try creating social experiments that get viewers engaged, like life hacks tested in 10 seconds. For example, does this weird toothpaste hack actually work? People love seeing real-life tests that show if common advice is solid or just internet nonsense. Monetize it. 1. Sponsored content for testing products. If you're testing a life hack with a specific product, brands would love the exposure. 2. Affiliate links to tested products. Promote the products you've used, giving viewers a direct link to try it themselves. AI automation tools, Video Leap for effects and speed control, speed up or slow down parts of the video to make hacks easier to follow. Big VU for captions and effects. Captions are automatically synced with the video, keeping it quick and engaging. Now wrapping it all up. YouTube Shorts are pure magic when it comes to building an audience quickly and, yes, making money. And look, you're armed with powerful niche ideas and AI tools that take your content from basic to. With Shorts, you get the chance to experiment, tap into trends, and grow that subscriber base faster than ever. Time to shine. If you want more profitable ideas like these, hit that subscribe button. Comment below on which Shorts idea you're trying first, or share a niche you'd love to see more of. And hey, every like and sub helps us keep sharing these juicy tips.